Good evening, everyone. I have standing next to me a new celebrity. I understand she did a beautiful job today speaking at the Research America annual meeting. I could not be there, but Lorri Carey is one of our very strong advocates, and she is here. She lives with ALS. So thank you all for this great award. According to Google, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge turned a little-known disorder into a global conversation. 17 million people uploaded Ice Bucket Challenge videos to Facebook. These videos were watched by 440 million people, 10 billion with a B, times. Thank you for this honor. I'm not accepting this award as the president of the ALS Association. I'm accepting it on behalf of the entire ALS community. It wasn't the ALS Association that started the challenge. It was 3 young men living with the disease that deserve the credit. It started very organically. 3 men, Pete Frates, Pat Quinn, and Anthony Sonarchia, incredible patient advocates, much like Lorri Carey, who inspired not only the ALS community, but also the world. The donations to the ALS Association have re-energized and reinforced our work to find treatments and a cure for this disease through not only research, but also advocacy and care services. Currently, we are supporting 138 active research projects in 11 different countries. This includes major collaborations that would not have been possible without this infusion of generosity. For example, we've committed $2.5 million to the New York Genome Center, a collaboration between many U.S. laboratories capable of generating and analyzing thousands of DNA sequences from people with ALS. These donations have also enabled us to step up our support of ALS Association certified treatment centers of excellence, which provide the very best care for people living with the disease and serve as the home of many clinical trials. We've launched an ambitious effort to help advance drug development, working with the FDA, other ALS organizations, as well as patient advocates to develop guidance for companies to help them navigate the regulatory pathway for approval of effective ALS therapies. In addition, the association worked with Congress to waive the 24-month waiting period to ensure people with ALS access to Medicare as fast as possible. With the help of Congress and the Department of Veterans Affairs, we've been able to establish a presumption of service connection at the VA so that veterans who are living with ALS and their survivors have access to critical health and disability benefits. And if you did not know it, veterans are twice as likely to develop ALS as a non-veteran. As this audience knows all too well, it can take over $2 billion to bring one drug to market. We must finish what the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge started, continuing to motivate and inspire advocates to fight for the ALS community. We are steadfast in our resolve to make this happen. On behalf of the ALS Association and the entire community, thank you again. Lorri?
On behalf of myself, my family, and 30,000 other victims with ALS, thank you so much. I am still lucky to be able to get around and be here today, but many of them aren't. And so I represent them here and tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart.